Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts: naturally restore kidney health. You see, kidney health is something we all need to prioritize, especially if we're facing any challenges or simply want to boost our overall wellness. And the good news is, there are some simple steps we can take to naturally support our kidney function. Now, these steps are all about making some practical, holistic changes in our lives. We're talking about dietary changes, stress relief, and lifestyle adjustments. It's all about taking control of our health and giving our kidneys the love and care they deserve. These treatments are evidence-based, meaning that people get better, and that's being shown today in scientific studies. 4 reasons this works. 1. There is good scientific research that points the way to how kidneys can be healed. In fact, this research is lying around in plain sight. We've drawn extensively on this diverse medical research to develop this solution. 2. Western medicine, while it can be a lifesaver in some situations, is not the only effective healing approach. In particular, traditional Chinese medicine has been treating kidney problems for thousands of years. 3. The third thing is diet. As you can imagine, diet is critical to healing your kidney disease, and in fact, for your overall health. In short, you'll need a more comprehensive and thoughtful approach to diet if you want to heal your kidneys. 4. The fourth point to address is the unique cause of your kidney disease. There are many known causes, including diabetes, high blood pressure, lupus, and Alport syndrome. To really allow your kidneys to recover and regenerate, you will have to deal with your specific root cause. So, whether you're managing kidney health challenges or just looking to boost your wellness, these steps are perfect for you. They're easy to implement and can make a big difference in your overall health. If you combine a holistic approach that also looks at diet and nutrient imbalances, and lifestyle factors such as stress, then there are many diseases where genuine reverses are possible, where people do get better and regain their health, even though conventional medicine says it will not and should not happen. Well, it turns out chronic kidney disease is no different. Your kidneys can get better. This is a complete, step-by-step system. It has been around since 2008, and presently over 25,000 people from around the world, of all different ages, from all kinds of health backgrounds, with different causes to their kidney disease, have gone through this and have seen improvements in their health and in their kidney function. So, why wait? Start your journey to healthier kidneys today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and your overall health.